Are you tired of digging through your drawer, trying to find the right size wrench? Don't let poor organization throw a wrench into your plans. Check out Performance Tools' 125-piece mechanics tool set. A socket and wrench set is something that everyone should have on hand. Whether you need to repair an appliance, replace something on your car, or assemble furniture, chances are you're going to need to deal with some nuts and bolts. And no, I'm not talking about the snack mix. This kit from Performance Tool makes a perfect gift for family members, co-workers, or employees. It is perfect due to its compact size and smart organization. You've got imperial wrenches on the left and metric on the right. In the center is a full set of sockets in both imperial and metric, along with deep drive sockets of the most common sizes. There's also a 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch drive ratchet with quick release, giving you versatility and ease of use. Then there's also some handy adapters and extensions to help you prep for any task. As a bonus, there's also 2 hex key sets, both imperial and metric, and a screwdriver with almost every bit you'll need. All these tools are held firmly in place in their blow molded case, ensuring that you never lose a single part. But if a socket happens to fall into your engine bay, never to be seen again, we've got you covered with individual wrenches and sockets, all available for purchase. So make sure that all your bases are covered with this week's feature product, the 125-piece mechanics tool set from Performance Tool. What do you wish was in your toolkit? Comment below and subscribe to our channel for more awesome feature products.